Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will learn how you can pin my PC, which used to be my computer in earlier Windows. Now, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this option is called my PC. So we will be learning how you can pin my PC or my computer to the taskbar so you can easily access that option. You just need to right click anywhere on the desktop and then click on new and then click on shortcut. Now once you see this option which says type the location of the item, simply copy a command from the description and paste over here. Once you have that command pasted, simply click on next. Now you can just give it a name like my PC or this computer, whatever you want, and then click on finish. So a shortcut for my PC will be created on your desktop, but it does not look like a my PC icon, because when you open File Explorer, if you look at the left hand side, you will be able to see this PC icon. So you can name it like my PC or this PC, whatever you want. Now simply right click on it and click on properties, and we will be changing the icon of this folder from here. So click on change icon. Now go to the description box once again. There will be one more command or a location. Simply copy that from there and paste it in here where it says look for icons in this file. Simply delete that and paste the location which I have given in the description box and press enter. Now you'll get some more icons. You can find an icon that looks like this PC or my PC, which is this one, and click OK. Click apply and then click OK again. So this becomes a shortcut of my PC or this PC or my computer on your desktop. Now simply right click on it, click on show more options, and there will be an option which says pin to taskbar. Simply click on that. So an icon in the taskbar will be created for this PC. Now if you want, you can just place it somewhere on the desktop, or if you want, you can delete that and you can use this icon which is in the taskbar. If you click on it, it directly takes you to this PC. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye-bye.